Have you ever wondered who's the mastermind behind the budgeting app that's taken the personal finance world by storm? YNAB, or You Need a Budget, has become a household name for many. It's a powerful tool that helps users take control of their finances, $1 at a time. But who exactly is the genius, or geniuses, behind this financial masterpiece? Let's dive in and uncover the truth. The early days. YNAB wasn't always the sleek, user-friendly app we know today. It started as a humble budgeting software back in 2004, the brainchild of Jesse Meacham and his wife, Jenny. They were frustrated with traditional budgeting methods and wanted a more effective way to manage their money. So, they created YNAB, a system based on the concept of assigning every dollar a job. The YNAB business model. While YNAB has grown significantly over the years, it's important to note that it's not a publicly traded company. This means it's not owned by a large corporation or a group of venture capitalists. Instead, YNAB is privately held. This business model has allowed YNAB to focus on its users and their needs, rather than maximizing profits for shareholders. It's a refreshing approach in an industry often driven by bottom-line figures. The YNAB community. One of the most unique aspects of YNAB is its vibrant community. This community, made up of passionate users, plays a crucial role in shaping the app's future. YNAB actively engages with its users, seeking feedback and incorporating it into the product. This community-driven approach has fostered a strong sense of loyalty among YNAB users. Many consider it more than just a budgeting app, it's a lifestyle and a community. The future of YNAB. As YNAB continues to evolve, it's clear that the company is committed to helping people achieve financial freedom. Whether it's through innovative features, educational resources, or a supportive community, YNAB is dedicated to empowering its users. So, the next time you open your YNAB app, remember that it's the result of a passionate team's hard work and the collective wisdom of a dedicated community. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.